to make school first. Please. And second step, find this t-shirt. And then third, grab the if you wanted to want the student to like a shoe, just put it where the ones already has that. Now he has some schools on, and if you want that, make it cool. So that's okay. This is your new student. Or the student. Elementary school, high school. This is the elementary. The elementary school that I made. This is the mod. This is everything. Then it's high school. So this is elementary school. What I was floating. This is high school. What I do to the high school one. Make them fight. And 3, 2, and 3. 1. What's this? Oh, what happened? Is this what happened? My viewers. This is one of my. This is one of the haters. The haters. Haters of my page. The haters. The haters of my page, and say goodbye to you, bro. You hate my haters. What happened to your red book, my hater? Iron Man. One of my 2 haters again. Oh my god, there's so many haters. Haters are hurting. So I'm gonna nuke the whole city. And I'll nuke the whole. Okay. Lightning strike. The nuclear bomb showed. It's like you just blew. Looks like the bomb look like when it's in the water. Look like case of blue. Case of blue who's swimming, who dives and goes to a plane and jumps out into the ocean and boom like this. Case of on top in the sky. This is the water. This is the water and Queso jumps and Queso jumps. Even 3 fat guys. They will do Queso with the 2 guys. They will be 4 fat guys. Queso and the other guys. This will happen. Queso is jumping. They will jump in 3, 2, 1 and look how much did it go. I don't know what's done. It's a show. But I showed you how to make a student, elementary school student. So goodbye guys.